This is Sparta!
Nick-Spartan here, another DUI project. Do it yourself. All right, this is I'm running some electrical pipe into the concrete wall, but so we have these two 25mm pipe. Now these two 25, this is one pipe, but it have a damage while we were drilling, while we were making the pipe trench in the wall, so the pipe with a damage. So I cut off both ends. Now, in a situation like this, normally you would have to trench out the entire wall, or enough space that you can fix on another 25mm coupling to join them. Right, you would probably have to get in another piece of pipe with two 25mm coupling just to get it joined properly. But I've come up with a shorter way, and I think this is also very effective. So this is another piece of 25mm that I would cut. I cut the fit in here, and this is this would be the 25. This would be the 20mm, half inch, 20mm for the electrical pipe, and this would be the 25mm. Should equal to like a 3/4, right? So I make a coupling out of this, out of the 3/4 pipe, the 25mm, slit it, and now I'm going to have it as it's like a coupling. So to support this, when I fix this in its place, like you're going to fit it to make it fit properly. The slot in like kind of nicely, like so. So while you have that in it, I think the pipe is also bracing on it. Right. So what with that now, then you have this now to hold it in place. So you'd have to try to get it prized. Open first. You can start with a screwdriver. And then proceed to fasten on the rest of it. Like that. Job executed, nonetheless. So let it down a little bit further on that side. Yeah, and it's not as smooth as I would like it because of the tension with this pipe. I mean, had it been like free up, where the pipe would go much back, then it would just come in a bit nicely. You can see it have a gap slightly. That gap would close by like a 1/8 of an inch. It would be closed like this. It could be closed like this if I did add. Yeah, but pretty much. Yeah, that gap would be closed like this if I did add enough space, right? Yeah, it's not 100% fixing nice as the one because of the tension, but I think you get the drift. We just have to make sure that when we're fishing that there's no obstruct. So this is a potential trouble area. We just have to make sure that when we're fishing that we make sure that there's no obstruct. We normally pre-fish it with a card, so we will probably most likely pre-fish it with a fishing card before we actually use for actually fishing the wire with the fish wire, just to avoid any problem here. But yeah, pretty much that's it.